Hello, Fluent here. In today's video, we're going to show you how the JETFiling tool works inside of FluentCase. As you can see that we're logged into the user dashboard. We haven't clicked on anything just yet. But we're going to take your attention and focus it on the left navigation panel where you will see the JETFilings button. By clicking on that button, you're going to be given a firm-wide view of all of the filings that have taken place. Now, you can see a number of columns on the screen here. You're going to see the name or case of the filing. You can see a column header for case number, status of the filing, submitted date, as well as the created date. You can also perform searching inside of this text field, and this is going to be a wildcard search. So you can search for the type of filing. So if I look for the unstructured form, you'll see that populate. If I look for the application, you'll see nothing but filings that have the application title on them. You can even use the name of the person on the case that you're filing for. So I'm using Smith. If I put John, then the one below here disappeared. You can click directly into the filing, and that will take you into the matter, and you'll be able to see the filings that took place. From within inside of the matter, you can look at the JETFilings that were filed. You can create new filings by clicking on this green plus button. And from here, you'll see the DOR, which is the request for a hearing date from the court, a new application for adjudication, the DORE, which is the expedited hearing request, the request for consultative rating, compromise and release, the notice and request for a lien, the answer to, that's primarily for defense firms, the request for summary rating, unstructured forms, and then finally the stipulation with the request for award button. And if I click on this application, you can see that the application has the ability to import data from the case and fill it into the fields on this form. So you can see that the field data that I have populated, for example, the venue for hearing is Fresno, and you can see that the injured worker, first name, last name, and I'm not clicking on anything, I'm just moving to the next box. The address. Now I'm scrolling here. Again, employer information. I checked that box here, it checked it on the form, and so forth. So it is very important to make sure to fill in all of the fields that you can on the case, so that way you could save time while importing directly into the application. I'm going to select my next documents, and if I had all of my documents here, I could select them. So I've got a 4906, and I'm going to classify it as the 4906, and you could see that the green check mark means that I have the requirements met. I just have to fill in the remaining required documents, the fee disclosure, the venue verification, and the proof of service, and I'll be able to submit my application. Make sure to tune into our YouTube channel for more videos like this.